My favorite food group? Easily carbohydrates. I love my pasta, I love my pizza, and I love my grains. And I've got some of my favorites here on the table. I'm going to start here with millet. Now, this is actually a seed, not a grain. I'll explain in a minute. It's got a sweet corn-like flavor. It's used in both sweet applications, in puddings, and in savory recipes. You want to cook this like rice in measured amount of water in a covered pot. Next up, another seed. This is quinoa. Now, I've got white quinoa here. You'll see red and black in stores. Nutritional powerhouse, packed with proteins. Make sure to buy pre-washed quinoa. There's a naturally bitter coating that comes on the seeds. If you're not sure, wash it yourself in a strainer before you go ahead and cook it. So now we can move on to the true grains, and that means they're edible fruits of a grass, and they're hard. This first one is barley, and this is pearled barley, which means they polished off a little bit of the bran so it cooks faster. It's going to take maybe 20 to 30 minutes to cook. You want to cook it in abundant salted water like you would cook pasta. It's got a lovely chewy texture. Next up, oat berries. And this is a whole grain. It's going to take a long time to cook. It's a really great replacement in recipes that call for wheat berries for folks who are gluten-free. Buckwheat. Now you're thinking, oh, it's in a wheat family. Actually, no, it's in the rhubarb family. This is often labeled buckwheat groats to distinguish the whole grain from the flour that's used in blini or soba noodles. You'll sometimes see kasha. Now that has been roasted and is going to have a very intense flavor. As is, regular buckwheat is earthy and muddy and can be a lot. And so if you're skeptical about buckwheat, get buckwheat groats rather than kasha. Now we finally get to the true wheat family. These are wheat berries. They could probably take an hour to cook. If you want to reduce that cooking time, you can soak them overnight in water. They've got a great chewy texture, and this is the whole grain. Here we have a heritage version of wheat. So the farro family. And this is an ancient variety of wheat. It's popular in Italy. There are actually 3 varieties. I have farro medio, which is also known as emmer here on the table. You will see farro piccolo, also known as einkorn, or farro grande, known as spelt in stores. We like the medio. I love this in risotto. You can sort of replace the rice with the farro, and it gets a little bit creamy and starchy. Lovely nutty flavor. Next up, we have frika. Now, this comes from the Middle East, but it's enjoyed throughout the Mediterranean, especially North Africa. It's roasted young durum wheat, so it's actually harvested when it's green. You can see that. And the roasting gives it a little bit of a smoky flavor. Also want to cook this like pasta. Last, but definitely not least, we've got bulgur. So this is par-cooked. It's often steamed wheat that's also ground. So you don't really even need to cook it yourself. You just rehydrate it in water or the vinaigrette when you're making tabbouleh. Absolutely love this. It's got a nice weedy flavor. There's something for everyone on the table. Make space for grains in your pantry.
Take our recipes and reviews wherever you go with the America's Test Kitchen mobile app.
Fail-proof recipes, unbiased equipment reviews, how-to videos, and a vibrant community of like-minded home cooks.
With smart searching and handy tools, you'll have everything you need to create the most amazing meals.
Download the America's Test Kitchen mobile app today. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our Test Kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.